The Cambrian Explosion, which occurred approximately 541 million years ago during the Cambrian period, represents one of the most extraordinary events in Earth's history. Often referred to as life's Big Bang, it marks the rapid diversification of multicellular life and the appearance of most major animal phyla that continue to exist today. This event not only revolutionized the biosphere but also laid the foundation for modern ecosystems. Its significance, mysteries, and implications have fascinated scientists and spurred debates for decades. Precambrian world, setting the stage. Before the Cambrian period, life on Earth was relatively simple. For billions of years following Earth's formation about 4.6 billion years ago, life was dominated by single-celled organisms, such as bacteria and archaea. Around 1.5 billion years ago, the first eukaryotic cells with a nucleus emerged, eventually leading to multicellular organisms approximately 800 million years ago. The late Proterozoic Eon, just before the Cambrian, saw the appearance of the Ediacaran biota, approximately 635 to 541 million years ago, a collection of strange, soft-bodied multicellular organisms. While these organisms represented a significant step in biological complexity, they bore little resemblance to the animals that would dominate the Cambrian seas. The limited biodiversity and simple ecological structures of the Ediacaran period set the stage for the dramatic transformations of the Cambrian Explosion. The Cambrian Explosion, what happened? The Cambrian Explosion spanned roughly 20 to 25 million years, a relatively short time on the geological time scale. During this period, there was an unparalleled surge in the variety, complexity, and abundance of life forms. Fossils from this time reveal the sudden appearance of nearly all major animal phyla, including arthropods, mollusks, echinoderms, and early chordates, ancestors of vertebrates. Organisms developed hard parts like shells and exoskeletons, which contributed to the preservation of fossils and provided insights into Cambrian life. Notable discoveries from Cambrian fossil sites, such as the Burgess Shale in Canada and the Chengjiang Formation in China, have revealed a plethora of diverse and sometimes bizarre organisms. Iconic examples include trilobites, early arthropods with segmented bodies and hard exoskeletons. Opobania, a five-eyed creature with a flexible, tubular proboscis. Halosygenia, a peculiar, spiny worm-like creature. Anomalocaris, a top predator of the Cambrian seas, with grasping appendages and a circular mouth. These organisms represent the earliest complex food webs, where predator-prey interactions began to play a dominant role in evolution. Causes of the Cambrian Explosion. The causes of the Cambrian Explosion remain a topic of intense scientific investigation, with several hypotheses proposed. Genetic innovations, the evolution of the Hox gene complex, which controls the development of body plans, likely played a crucial role. These genetic innovations enabled the rapid diversification of body forms and allowed for the emergence of complex structures like limbs, eyes, and shells. Environmental changes. Oxygenation, the increase in atmospheric and oceanic oxygen levels during the late Proterozoic period created conditions suitable for larger, more complex animals with higher metabolic demands. Glaciation and warming, the end of the snowball Earth glaciations led to warmer climates and nutrient-rich oceans, fostering an explosion of life. Ecological factors, the emergence of predator-prey dynamics likely drove evolutionary innovation. Animals developed defenses such as shells and spines, while predators evolved tools for hunting, such as claws and enhanced sensory organs. Geological changes, tectonic activity and the breakup of supercontinents during the Cambrian may have created diverse shallow marine environments, which are ideal for supporting varied ecosystems. Biochemical innovations, advances in biomineralization, the ability to produce hard parts like calcium carbonate shells, provided protection and structural support, offering a competitive advantage. Implications and legacy. The Cambrian Explosion fundamentally altered Earth's biosphere. For the first time, ecosystems became highly structured, with clear ecological roles such as predators, herbivores, and scavengers. The increased complexity of life forms paved the way for evolutionary arms races, driving further innovation. The evolutionary pathways established during the Cambrian period led to the formation of animal body plans that have remained remarkably conserved over the past 500 million years. For example, the basic body structures of arthropods, mollusks, and vertebrates today can all be traced back to Cambrian ancestors. Fossil evidence and controversies. The Cambrian explosion left a rich fossil record, but its interpretation is not without challenges. Some scientists argue that the explosion may not have been as sudden as traditionally portrayed. Fossils from earlier periods, including the Ediacaran, hint at a more gradual buildup of complexity. Molecular clock studies, which estimate divergence times based on genetic data, suggest that many Cambrian phyla may have originated tens of millions of years earlier than the fossil record indicates. Additionally, debates continue over why such rapid diversification occurred during the Cambrian and not earlier or later in Earth's history. Was it a unique confluence of genetic, environmental, and ecological factors? Or is the fossil record simply incomplete, failing to capture earlier evolutionary experimentation? Conclusion. The Cambrian explosion remains one of the most intriguing and transformative events in the history of life on Earth. It represents the dawn of complex ecosystems and the rise of animal diversity, shaping the trajectory of evolution for hundreds of millions of years. While much has been learned from fossil discoveries and genetic studies, the full story of the Cambrian explosion continues to unfold, offering profound insights into the origins of life as we know it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.